having a chat and tidying. Hi, I'm Sharon and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you clicked on my channel. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. I am a 72, just turned 72-year-old woman who has been keeping house for many, many years, and I worked for home support for many, many years, so I kept a lot of different homes. Anyhow, this is Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and I am going to get some things tidied up, and I have some laundry that I've had laying around for quite some time now, maybe a week, and I've moved it from the living room to the bedroom. So today is the day it's going to get hung up and properly put away. And I'm also going to take down some of my Easter decor. It is the day after Easter. Hope everyone had a wonderful Easter with their family and loved ones. Okay, first thing I'm going to tidy. Well, I didn't do a very good introduction to my video. I forgot to mention this is hosted by Sunday Dawn from the Helpful Home. And there are lots of tiny tidiers who do videos too, and we're all put in a playlist, which you can find in my comments below. Okay, enjoy the video. So I'm going to tidy up my dresser, which if you watch me, you kind of know the routine. Even though I'll change it up a bit because I'm going to put my little Easter bunnies away that I had on here. But I'm going to keep the doily. I like the doily. And I'm going to put my little teacup up here and my little perfume. And the crown can go in front. That looks cute. And then I'm going to put these two little bunnies in with the Easter decor. And I'll bring my little mouse out. Okay, I'll put these guys away. Next, I'm going to make my bed. I'm going to go put these in the craft room. Okay, if you've watched my videos, you will have noticed that I got a different spread, a different bedspread. It's a pretty blue, but it would be good for summer and springtime. So we'll just tidy this up. Okay. I just put these blue pillowcases on here to go with the bed. And that pillow goes there, and it's good for summer and spring. So I like this little bedspread because it has this little bit of, I don't think it's lace, but I forget what it's called, like cutout. And I really like that. Okay, let's get this blanket on the bed. These pants can go in my drawer. And this is the laundry that needs to be put away. And my dogs want in. Gotta let my puppies in. Cut the hangers. And drop them on the floor. I'm going to sit down to do this. Why not, eh? If you can sit down, you may as well. And I'll put all the hangers in. Okay, that's not going to work. Let's push everything through here. And then we can put them there. That's David's. This is mine. Well, I've had a very busy week. Again, don't know if you noticed, but my short that I put up for my birthday, we went golfing and you could do this golfing inside. So that was the activity I chose for my birthday. So some of my nieces and nephews and husband and son, we all went indoor golfing for my birthday. And I enjoyed it a lot. And then we had a few meetings for our faith. And we went to my nephew's and had a barbecue for Easter on the Saturday, and that was fun. And covered with hangers. And Sunday we had a holy day, which we celebrated with all our Baha'i friends, and we elected our assembly for the year 2025. We elect 9 people from the community, and the assembly takes care of the business for Baha'is in the community of Lethbridge. So we did that on Sunday, plus there was a potluck breakfast and sharing of stories and some prayers, of course. And we had a reading all about the significance of this holy day. And it was great. And so now, it's Monday, of course, because I have to have this video ready for Tuesday. So I think anybody who's watched YouTube videos for a while realizes that we always tape stuff early so we can get it up for that day. And that's what I'm doing right now. Just getting things back in order from our busy week. And plus I've made 3 videos this week, of course. I always make 3. This is my new Mickey Mouse t-shirt. It's very big and long, and I think it'll be great, even if I just wear it over a bathing suit. But I'll wear it. I'll wear it. Pretty sure I'll wear it. Is this my t-shirt, or yeah, it's Dave's t-shirt. He doesn't like those hangers. Anyhow. Oh, yeah. So glad to get these clothes put away. I did this laundry last weekend. Not this past weekend, the weekend before. And this stuff has just been laying around. Like I say, I brought it from the living room. And, oh, that's another one of his t-shirts. Brought it from the living room, put it in, oh, I'm going to run out of hangers. Put it in the bedroom, and it's gone from the bed to on the pillows on the floor. Back on the bed and to the pillows. But whatever. It's going to be done now. Okay, those are all my tops, so it doesn't matter what hanger I put on. But I'm going to have to go get some more hangers. That means I might have to go downstairs if I can't find any in my closet. But, okay, let's hang this stuff up first. Oh, okay. I don't know. I still think we all own too much clothing. Okay, I'm going to stick this stuff back in the closet. Well, I'm talking a little bit about myself. I have 2 grown children. Well, my husband and I have 2 grown children. And they each have a boy. So I have 2 grandsons. And one of my grandsons has a brother. So we consider him also a grandson. Okay. We've been married 52 years, I guess. Yeah, it's usually the woman that remembers. Not me. Okay, I gotta go find some more hangers, which means I have to go downstairs because I see, oh, there's another one. My husband's used a few to hang up his pants. So, okay, this is a vest I like to wear this time of year. Well, I just kind of tossed it in there. I should tidy those shoes up a little bit. Well, sorry, I should have brought the camera down lower so you could see me, but all I did was pick up shoes that I just laid in there instead of putting them on the little shoe rack. I just kind of kicked them in there, so that's all I'm doing right here. And at this time, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to watch the playlist of all the other Tiny Tidiers, which will be in my comments. Okay. Let's get back to the video. I need 3 hangers. Oh, just 2. Maybe I can put this one over something else. Doesn't look like it. Go find 2 more. Alright, I've got more hangers. And I see David's got clothes thrown down here. I don't know if they're dirty or clean or it's just on hanging by on the door. Because then the door doesn't stay open right. Okay, that's just that. Alrighty. Good stuff. Let's go back over here. And I took my carrot off my bed. Took the carrot off the bed. So that was definitely Easter. And I just have the little hat with Easter ears on it in my fern plant that I'll take out. Oh, I'm going to put these in the closet just in case. Oh, it's raining. Alright, that's my tiny tidy for this Tuesday. And it is a collaboration, and there are lots of other tiny tidiers to give you inspiration for doing a tidy in your home. And our co-host is Sunday Dawn from the Helpful Home. So we'll see you all in my next video, which will be Fairy Garden Thursday. Bye!